Today we will learn React.js. If you know React, you can also write code in Next.js. We will start from React and then we will see Next.js. Then, because nowadays most of the industry are using Next.js, so we start from journey from React and then Next.js. Then we will learn modern language like Vue.js, or there is more things, micro content or modern things that make more scalable, more usable things. We will see in next 2-3 video, and we will also see how to make 3D website, and that is also possible in simple HTML CSS, but we will see how to implement this, okay, in next 2-3 video. Go to the Google and search React.js. Then there is, you will get link, and go to the WT school, and here is the option that is also show React into. There is something you can read, get started, and there is a command that is npx get reactive and your app name, my website. Okay, before starting those written code npx, you need to set up your device. You need to check in your system this node and npm is already installed in your system or not. That is very important. You write the command node minus version, and if you get the version, then it is okay. Your system node is also installed in your system, so don't worry. If you not, you need to go to the Google and search Node.js, and you can install from the official website. Node.js is not installed on your system. You need to go to Node.js org website, and that is the official website. You also get, there is a version to install. I also recommend you to use recommend version for most user, because if you install this part, that is recent one, and there is some dependency will come in bt, some problem. Suppose you install some library and there is some dependency, this version is not supported in node 20, so I always recommend to use version 18. So when you install this version, on click you can, that is download for macOS, and for if you use Linux, that is also install on your system Linux. And if you face any problem, you can message me in chat box. I also can help you. And after installing, you can also check this directly on version, that is node minus version double minus, that is version. And if you install node on your system is working, then you also work the npm version, because that is npm is also with node. And if you interest to use yarn, that is almost same like npm. Using npm you can also install all yarn. What is npm? Npm is node package manager that help us to install a package dependency. And if you see the project, I already run the command to create React app, and that is also installed it. So let me see what is a folder structure and what is those thing, and let me discuss, and let's start coding. So before start coding we need to know what is this package.json. That is the main folder. Here is a what is the name of the website and version you can change it, and this is private. And the dependency, what is the things we need to run. Okay, and then what is the dependency here, what is react, we are using react term, react script. Script is the main important part. Here is a start, build and test eject. If you run start, means react script start, you need to use npm run start, and to build the app you need to run npm run build, and to test npm run test. If you write npm run start, it will run the script run, and that's all. That's main file. And if you go to the package minus log json folder, that is the all dependency folder also installed in this. If you push this code in github and anyone install this, and if you run this command or your friend run this command npmi, then all dependency folder will be installed in node modules. Okay, and the node modules or dependency folder is present. You can see that every code in TypeScript or something JavaScript is code are written, and we use import this. And then the public folder and src folder are main folder. In sr folder we are writing our code in JavaScript, everything is belongs to this folder. And the public folder, that's folder that will shown to the public, and they cannot see the in our code in source folder, and that public folder is only visible to this user. And if you keep the private, that will be private, no one can access this indirectly your app. Okay, and another important file is manifest.json folder. You can make this customize is if you download this app in your browser, in your Android mobile or in browser, Chrome browser, you can save this and you can set up the icon, you can set up the background color, and that will be almost work on you as a app, and that will be possible for manifest.json folder. If you outside the folder, you make sure you need to go to the main folder, that is the website folder. If you in date 2 folder, you need to go to cd my website folder, because that is the main folder. You need to access this package on JSON folder. To access, you need to go to this exactly this folder, and if you path is different, you need to change the path and you can make this customize. Okay, so for this you need to go to my website and you need to run npm run start. We will see how to the start work. In the script, start is given, react script start. Okay, if you enter, then it will run on this react script start, and some code is before, and this will return that is also website is compiled. Okay, that is ready. And if you want to deploy this, then and in the server it will run an npm run build, and then run build will return is optimized version. Let me see. Okay, npm run build. Okay, that is getting optimized production build. Okay, you will see there is get a folder that is built, that is contain html, some static speech javascript, okay, some media css, some css and media, and there is manifest json, and okay, robot text is generated. If you want going to the deploy in Vessel or any app, then if you run to npm build, and this build return you simple html css and javascript, it and some folder just manifest json all like this folder, and that is the will generate that's make you the your website that you say in content. Okay, that's all. We will see in next video how to make this, that is now, and we will make something, and we will see how to use HTML and is use and CSS how to use in React. We will see in next video. Okay, then okay, bye. We will see in next video.